Hey everyone, so thank you so much for spending some minutes with me. Today I want to talk about the strategy that I follow to beat the S&P 500. So as you can see here, this is one of my accounts. I'm going to show you a different account in a second that provides better results, but I want to start with this one. So as you can see here, if we take the numbers from January 2023 to February 2025, so that's for the past 2 years, the S&P 500 is up 49.25%, while my portfolio in this account is up 50.25%. That's only 1% more, but I'm going to tell you why now. And anyway, like 1% is still 1%. As you can see here on the right-hand side, this is the portfolio. I have companies like Meta, Tesla, Amazon, and some others. And here at the bottom, you see companies like this one, Dave or Prax. Basically, what I did about a year ago, I decided to adjust my strategy, and I was buying some companies who were showing some promising numbers for a particular month. I invested some money into the pharmaceutical and also into the biospace. And those companies, some of them went well, some others didn't go so well, and that's affected my profitability in this account. However, if I show you the second account, which doesn't have those additional companies, you can see here, actually this is a bit later, we opened this one in September 2023, and it's up till February 2025. The S&P for this period of time is up 34.41%, while my account is 62.44%. That's almost twice the return as if I had just invested in the S&P. And so I think this is a strategy that is working well for me, and I'll continue with this strategy. As you can see here, the companies I'm holding are Nvidia, Meta, Berkshire, Amazon, Tesla, Google, Apple, and Microsoft. By the way, Berkshire, probably you could remove it from this list, and the numbers maybe would be a bit higher. And let me talk about the strategy for a second. What I do once a year or a couple of times a year is to do a search on the internet, and I try to see the largest companies in the stock market by market cap. So as you can see here, right now the largest one is Apple, then Nvidia, Microsoft, and so on and so forth. And what I do is I invest some money only in these accounts. Actually, I'm not investing in Saudi Aramco because that's a different field, but I have some shares for all the others. Some months ago, this one here, TSM, actually made the top 10, and I invested some money in it. This is also a company similar to Nvidia. And then yesterday, I saw that Broadcom, also a company in that space, made also the top 10, so I decided to invest some money yesterday. So as you can see here, it seems that the stock market is betting on the big technology companies to define our future, and that's why I'm investing money in the top 10, and that's giving me that better return than the rest of the market. Progressively, if this list changes, let's suppose that we see over the next few years some banks in here or some other type of companies, and these get replaced, then I'll invest money in those companies. You may be able to get more than the 62% I showed you in my account if you spend a lot of time checking for the right companies, buying and selling and stuff like that. But I just don't want to do that. I want to sleep very well at night. So what I do is I just buy and I hold the investments for as much as I can, and if possible forever. So I'll keep, holding these stocks over the next few years. Some of them give me dividends, and those dividends get reinvested into the same companies. If you have any questions or you experience with this type of strategy, please send me a comment. I hope you like this video and you find some value. If so, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and talk to you soon.